Hi everyone, I am going to invite you to come to my open house this Sunday from 12 to 3 p.m. in 906 Pennsylvania Avenue in Altamonte Springs. Yeah, this house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2-car garage, and is located in a very good area without HOA. I'm going to show you now the layout of this house, and you can call me for directions. Here it's magnificent, just remodeled kitchen. The whole house was just remodeled, and I'm going to show you the bedrooms. So it's 1 bedroom, a second one, 1 bathroom. The master is located there. And now I'm going to show you the backyard. You can come out to the backyard from the laundry. The backyard has a screen porch, but at the same time has fence all around with the fire pit here. It's a great opportunity for first-time buyers, and the price is going to be here at $325,000. The advantage of this house is the sellers is willing to give you a credit because the age of the roof. Thank you, and wait for you on Sunday from 12 to 3. Thank you.